want to go ahead and replace our old faded Fender badge here. We're going to use a heat gun. We're going to get that temperature warm. What we're going to do is warm up the badge. Now there is an adhesive behind the badge that is holding this to the fender. So what we want to do is heat up the adhesive on the back side, the double-sided tape. We don't want to get this heat too hot on the paint because you can damage your paint. But we're going to just kind of work back and forth. Just checking that temperature here. You can use a blow dryer. We're using a heat gun. Just gently work it. What you want to do is, I'm going to use a pick here and I'm just going to get behind the badge. I'm gently going to pull outward. You can see that the badge is starting to pull out, but it's not separating from the fender yet. So you're going to continue to warm this up. You want to frequently check the temperature of the paint around the side of the badge itself. You want it to get warm, but not super hot. Not quite ready yet. You can see I'm evenly going back and forth. I'm not staying in one spot. If you stay in one spot, you're going to cause damage to that paint. There we go. Now we still have some of the adhesive stuck on the body here. What you can do is you can warm this up. And while you're working on this here, you can just roll off what you can. Peel some of it off. Keep coming back. You want to try and get off as much of this as possible. Now we're going to continue to warm this up here. Now I'm going to use a plastic trim tool. You can go ahead and warm this up. Something that's not going to mar the paint. And we're just going to work off a bunch of this adhesive stuff here. Continue to warm that up. We're going to continue to do this until most of this gasket material is gone. And you'll be able to tell when that adhesive is starting to cool off because it won't peel off as easy. You can go back and use the heat gun again or the blow dryer and warm that up a little bit more. I'm going to spray some solvent on a clean rag here. I'm going to go ahead and use some adhesive remover and get some of this down your local auto parts store or hardware store. And we're just going to slowly clean this up and get rid of the old garbage that's on the paint. With your fender pretty much cleaned up, we're going to go ahead and peel off the cover off the adhesive on our trim. And you want to focus, we're going to have the plastic tabs here or pins that line up with the holes in your fender here. So we're going to go ahead and line this up. And once those are in place, simply press that in. We're going to use a clean towel and press that on.